Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to turn on auto verify on Opera GX. Most of us know when we open some site they always ask us to verify we are human, not a bot. So this feature in Opera GX automatically verifies that you are human, so you don't have to verify again for most sites. So let's see how to enable it. So from the home menu, click on the I normally press the alternate and the P button on my keyboard to open up the settings quickly. Alternate and P, and then you scroll down to site settings, click on it, go all the way down to additional content settings, click on the arrow by the right, and then you see auto verify. Now sites you visit can verify that you're a real person, not a bot, to turn this on. Now what this does is when it is on, it means that a site you visit can save a small amount of information with Chrome, mainly to validate you're not a bot. As you keep browsing, sites can check with Chrome and verify with a previous site you visit that you are likely a real person. Browsing is faster because a site is less likely to actively verify that you're a real person. But you must consider something: this setting works without identifying you or allowing sites to see your browsing history. Those sites can share a small amount of info as part of the verification process. So if you agree to all this, leave it turned on. It's as simple as that. So with this turned on, with this enabled, you don't have to verify all the time that you're a real person and not a bot. But Opera GX will do it for you. So I hope you find this video helpful. Do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more.